Let's dive into the features of screen sharing in View Studio. Ensure you're connected to the LED wall on the right-hand side. Go to the System category and click on Screen Share. Select the tab you want to share, and it will start immediately. For example, selecting a Chrome tab will begin sharing that screen. The screen size adjusts automatically based on the window's dimensions, updating in real time, ideal for interactive content like Figma, Miro, or other web-based tools. Adjust the screen like any other View Studio asset with controls for temperature, blur, and transform options. Stop screen sharing anytime and switch to your next content source as needed. Thanks for watching. For more tutorial videos like this one, visit our YouTube channel. For access to our knowledge base or technical support, visit our support site at view.network/support. To contact support directly, email us at support@viewstudio.com or call us at 888-575-1510.